So this is Dan with Burdeen's, coming at you with a brand new video all about the Grand Seiko SBGA387G. Basically, what makes this SBGA387G different than the standard Snowflake other than the blue color? At first glance, nothing. Diluting this gorgeous timepiece to its bare bones, you really have a reissue of one of the most successful Grand Seiko designs in recent memory. And you get it with an even better looking dial. It's got more life, it's got some color in it. You know, it basically, you move your arm around, it changes from like a metallic silver to like, very like a light blue, obviously, to a kind of a darker blue depending on the light and how it hits it. Basically, think of it like a peacock for snowflakes. But there's actually a difference between the two watches. With a diameter of 40 millimeters and the case height of 12.5 millimeters, there's actually a 1 millimeter difference between this and the Snowflake. But if you don't have them side by side, so we can get this thing in focus, you'd be hard pressed to see the difference between the two. Like the Snowflake, the SBGA387G is powered by a 9R65 spring drive and has a power reserve of 72 hours. It's a great movement. It's all unique. It's completely Grand Seiko. It's got that beautiful, completely nice sweeping movement on the dial. So it's a great movement and a great watch. Basically, if you liked the Snowflake before, you're gonna love this 387G. It's the same watch, maybe a 1 millimeter smaller. It's just got a little bit more life on the dial. When we were approached to become authorized dealers for Grand Seiko a few years ago, our biggest concern was that Grand Seiko was a company that was just too conservative with its designs. No more. They've always had great movements with the spring drive and the high beat, but now they've also got exotic, risk-taking designs. They should keep it up. They're gonna fall on their face here and there, but it's worth the battle. All that said, seriously, internet, we need to come up with a better name than the alphabet soup SBGA387G. That's really not very good. We call it the Glacier on an unbecoming product page, but if you can think of something better, we're all ears here at Burdeen's Jewelry. We'll name it, we'll even change it on that product page. So with that, this is Dan at Burdeen's, signing off.